We are operating at full capacity here in Granby, and we need all the help we can get to meet demand. Just by scanning a QR code, I'm launched right into the Guides application. This machine is complicated and can be dangerous, so having the instructions overlaid right where the work happens means I can get the job done right the first time. Our procedures are highly variable. Here, depending on the gauge reading, I might have to readjust the machine. Even with changing conditions, Guides can branch to the right instructions. HoloLens knows where my hands are when I'm working, so right when I'm done the step, the spatial triggers are activated and the guide moves me along to the next instruction. The machine needs to be configured differently to match all the different orders. Branching with spatial triggers lets me make choices without having to pause and make a selection. I just grab what I need and the triggers activate the right next step. I don't need to leaf through different work instructions, so I can move quickly knowing that I'm taking the right action. Guides fits right into our workflows so we can use it for all sorts of procedures across the plant. You know, Matt, I'm working here with older equipment, but it really feels like I'm working in the future. Back to you.